Making money while traveling can be an excellent way to fund your adventures and see more of the world. Here are 5 tips for tourists on how to make money while traveling. One of the best ways to make money while traveling is by freelancing. Whether you're a writer, designer, photographer, or developer, there are plenty of opportunities to work remotely while on the go. You can use websites like Upwork or Freelancer to find clients and projects, and you can work from anywhere in the world as long as you have a laptop and an internet connection. When I was traveling through New Zealand, I was able to make some extra money by freelancing as a writer. I found clients on Upwork and was able to work on projects in my spare time, allowing me to extend my trip and see more of the region. Tip 2: Teaching English. Teaching English is another great way to make money while traveling, particularly in countries where there is high demand for English teachers. Many schools and language centers offer short-term contracts that allow you to work for a few months at a time, giving you the flexibility to move on to your next destination when you're ready. I have a friend who spent a year teaching English in South Korea. Not only did she earn a good salary, but she was also able to immerse herself in Korean culture and learn the language. Tip 3: Tour guiding. If you enjoy meeting new people and sharing your knowledge of a particular destination, tour guiding could be a great option for you. Many tour companies hire local guides on a freelance or part-time basis, and you can work on your own schedule while getting paid to show visitors around. When I was in Mexico, I met a guy who was working as a tour guide in Tulum. He loved his job because he got to spend his days exploring ancient ruins and snorkeling in the crystal-clear waters of the Caribbean. Tip 4: Blogging or vlogging. If you have a talent for writing or video production, starting a blog or vlog about your travels could be a fun and lucrative way to make money while on the road. You can monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing, and you'll have the freedom to create content on your own terms. I know a couple who have been traveling around the world for the past 2 years, documenting their adventures on their travel blog. They've been able to earn enough money from their website to fund their travels and even save some for the future. Tip 5: House sitting. House sitting is becoming an increasingly popular way for travelers to save money on accommodation while also earning a bit of extra cash. There are websites like TrustedHousesitters and Nomador that connect homeowners with reliable house sitters, and you can often stay in some pretty amazing properties for free in exchange for taking care of the house and pets. Imagine spending a month house sitting in Bali. Gorgeous villa, with a private pool and stunning views of the ocean, and I was able to live there rent-free while the owners were away. You can also earn a bit of extra money by taking care of their dog and cat. Those are my 5 tips for making money while traveling as a tourist. Whether you choose to freelance,